Lights. So good afternoon everyone. So this afternoon we are going to report our topic Unit 5 titled LTO Fines and Penalties or Joint Administrative Order number 2410-01, and it is presented by to my fellow reporters Lamban, Alonan, Gallego. So, what is LTO Fines and Penalties Joint Administrative Order number 2410-01? And it is updated as of September 07, 2020. So, first is we have the vehicle classification codes. So, the different codes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So, for 1, 2, 3, we have the type, vehicle type, and also the description example. So for code 1 to 3, we have the private motor vehicles, and the description of this, for example, are cars, motorcycles, or other vehicles used for personal or private use. And for code number 4, we have the PUJ or the public utility jeepney, and the description or example of these are jeepneys being used for public transport. And code number 5, we have the PUB or the public utility bus. So example, the passenger buses for city or provincial routes. And for code number 6, we have the TX or taxi. The description is the metered taxis for hire. Code number 7, we have the UV or utility vehicle express. Description is the vans or shuttles operating as UV express transport. And the code number 8 is we have the vehicle type STS or TT or School of Tourist Service. And for the description example, this is our buses or vans for school transport or tourism. So for letter B, we have the JAO code reference. So code example, we have the 1A, 1B, 1C. And the meaning of this is we have the violations under section 1, the licensing violations. And for code example 2A, 2B, and etc., the meaning of this is we have the violations under section 2, vehicle registration or operation. And for the code example 3A, 3B, and etc., we have the violations under section 3, weight and load limits. And for code example 4A, 4B, etc., we have the meaning violations under section number 4, franchising or franchise related violations. C, we have the terms used. So term or abbreviation and also the meaning. For the MB, we have the motor vehicle. And MB owner or operator, we have the registered owner or operator of the vehicle, especially for PUBs. And for PUB, the meaning is public utility vehicle or vehicles used for hire like jeepneys, buses, and taxis. And for CPC, the meaning is certificate of public convenience. So legal authority to operate a PUB. And next is we have the TOP or top or temporary operators permit. So it allows a driver to operate for 72 hours after apprehension. And the LTO is the Land Transportation Office, and the LTFRB, the Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board. And the GEO number 2410-01, the Joint Administrative Order that sets fines and penalties for traffic and transport violations. Next is the fine classification. So we have the column heading, explanation, and column heading. So for private driver or MV owner, explanation of this applies to private vehicle drivers or owners. Column heading, we have the private or driver or MV. For hire driver, MV or owner, applies to PUB drivers or operators. And for hire driver or MV owner. Next is the accessory penalty or other requirements, refers to additional sanctions such as license, suspension, vehicle impoundment, or disqualification For column heading, accessory penalty or other requirements. Next is we have the column heading private driver MB owner applies to private vehicle drivers owners and private driver MB owner. For hire owner driver, MB or owner applies to PUB drivers or operators for hire driver or MB owner. So next is we have the LTO fines and penalties of Joint Administrative Order number 241001. So the JAO, we have the driver's license. So we have the 1A. For MB owner operator, we have the violations: driving without valid driver's license, conductor's permit. So it allows an authorized driver to drive PUB or allowing a driver to drive PUB without bringing his or her driver's license. We have the first offense, second offense, third offense, and subsequent offense includes the following: driving with delinquent or expired license. For private driver, we have that 3,000. And for MB owner, none. Driver, none. MB owner, none. And the accessory penalty or other requirements. So this is disqualification from granting of driver's license and driving a motor vehicle for a period of 1 year, and disqualification from granting a driver license and driving of a motor vehicle for a period of 1 year, and impoundment of unit for 30 days and cancellation of CPC. So for 1A, driving with suspension or revoke or improper license, so 3,000 rather, and MB owner, none. And for driver, 3,000, MB owner, none. So it is the disqualification from granting a driver's license and driving a motor vehicle and driving for a period of 1 year. So that's all.
Tourist driving motor vehicle with a valid foreign driver's license beyond 90 days. Maximum allowable period. The fine is 3,000. Student driver driving without being accompanied by a duly licensed driver. The fine is 3,000. Driving a motor vehicle used in a commission of a crime upon conviction by a regular court of competent jurisdiction. The fine is 10,000. Commission of a crime in the course of apprehension upon conviction by a regular court of competent jurisdiction. The fine is 10,000. And a motor vehicle is impounded of motor vehicle until ordered to be released by a regular court of competent jurisdiction. The next one is driving while under the influence of alcohol and or prohibited drugs. Refer to Section 12 RA 10586. For non-professional driver's license, first conviction, confiscation, and suspension of driver's license. For 12 months, second conviction, revocation of driver's license for professional driver's license. So the next one, reckless driving, first offense, 2,000. Suspensions of driver's license for 3 months. Second offense, the fine is 3,000. Suspensions of driver's license for 6 months and revocation on the succeeding offense. Third offense and subsequent offense, 10,000 fine. Revocation of succeeding offense. Employing reckless, insolent, discourteous, or arrogant driver, first offense. The fine is 5,000. Impounded of unit or for 30 days. Second offense. The fine is 10,000. Impounded of unit for 30 days. Third offense. The fine is 15,000. Cancellations of CPC where the unit is authorized. The next one is submission of fake documents in driver's license application, new or renewal. Driver's license shall be put on alarm, revocation, and disqualifications of granting license and driving for a period of 1 year. Prior to RA 10930, the fine is 3,000. Driver's license shall be revoked and the applicant shall be prohibited from applying for a period of 2 years. Upon the effectivity of Republic Act 10930 on July 20, 2019, the fine is 20,000. The repetitions of such offense shall warrant the perpetual disqualification from being granted driver's license in addition to the fine. Failure to wear the prescribed seatbelt device in or failure to require the front seat passenger to wear seatbelt. This includes allowing a 6 years old and below to be seated in front passenger seat. The RA 8750 Section 12. The first offense is the fine is 1,000. Second offense, the fine is 2,000. And the third offense and subsequent offense, the fine is 5,000. Suspensions of driver's license for 1 week for the third and eighth succeeding offense. Failure to require is inherent passenger to wear the prescribed seatbelt, post appropriate seatbelt signage for PUV. The fine is 3,000. For PUVs, both the operator and the drivers are liable to pay the said fine for every violation. Failure to wear the standard protective motorcycle helmet or failure to require the back ride to wear standard protective motorcycle helmet in RA 10054. The first offense is 1,500. Second offense, the fine is 3,000. Third offense and subsequent offense, the fine is 5,000. Fourth offense and succeeding offenses, the fine is 10,000. Wearing substandard helmet or without ICC sticker, first offense is 3,000. Second offense is 5,000. Failure to carry driver's license, certificate of registration, or official receipt or ORCR while driving, the fine is 1,000. All other violations of traffic rules and regulations, illegal parking, the fine is 1,000. Disregarding traffic signs, the fine is 1,000. Allowing passengers on top or cover of a motor vehicle, allowing passengers on top or a cover of a motor vehicle except in a truck helper, the fine is 1,000. Failure to provide canvas cover to cargoes or freight or trucks requiring the same, the fine is 1,000. Permitting passengers to ride on running board, step board, or mudguard of motor vehicle, the fine is 1,000. Failure to dim headlights when approaching another vehicle, the fine is 1,000. Driving in a place not intended for traffic or into place not allowed for parking, the fine is 1,000. Hitching or permitting a person or a bicycle motorcycle, the fine is 1,000. Tricycle or skate roller to hitch to a motor vehicle, the fine is 1,000. Driving against traffic rules, the fine is 1,000. Illegal turn, the fine is 1,000. Illegal overtaking, the fine is 1,000. Overtaking at unsafe distance, the fine is 1,000. Cutting an overtaking vehicle, the fine is 1,000. Failure to give way to an overtaking vehicle, the fine is 1,000. Increasing speed when being overtaken, the fine is 1,000. Overtaking when left side is not visible or clear, the fine is 1,000. Overtaking upon a crest of a grade, the fine is 1,000. Overtaking upon a curve, the fine is 1,000. Overtaking at any railway grade crossing, the fine is 1,000. Overtaking at intersection, the fine is 1,000. Overtaking on a main working or caution signs, the fine is 1,000. Overtaking at no overtaking zone, the fine is 1,000. Failure to yield the right of way, failure of the vehicle on the left to yield the right of way, the fine is 1,000. Failure to yield the right of way, failure of the vehicle on the left to yield the right of way, the fine is 1,000. The failure to yield the right of way, failure of the driver of any vehicle upon the highway within a business of residential district to yield the right of way, the fine is 1,000.
So this is also the continuation of our report. I am the third reporter. My name is Troy B. Gallego. So we have the code 1G26, and for the violations, failure to stop before traversing a throughout highway or railroad crossing. The fine for the private and for hire drivers is 1,000, and
The accessory penalty or other requirements is none. For 1G27 code, the violations is failure to yield the right of way, failure of a vehicle entering a highway from a private road, or driver upon a highway to yield the right of way. So the fine for the private and for hire drivers is 1,000, and for the accessories or penalty violation is none. For the code 1G28, the violation is failure to yield the right of way to ambulance, police, or fire department vehicles. So the fine is 1,000. And the other violations and accessories is also none. For the code 1G29, failure to yield the right of way at a through highway or a stop intersection. So the fine is 1,000 also. And other accessories or penalty requirements is none. For the code 1G30, the violations is failure to give a proper signal. The fine of both is 1,000, and the violations or other penalties is none. For the code 1G31, for the violations of illegal turn and failure of the driver of motor vehicle intending to run to the right at an intersection. So the fine is 1,000. For the code 1G32, illegal turn and failure of the driver of a vehicle intending to turn to the left. So the fine is 1,000. And for the code 1G33, failure to stop motor and notch handbrake or motor vehicle when unattended. So the fine is 1,000. For the code 1G34, the violation is unsafe towing. So the fine is 1,000. For 1G35 code, the violation is obstruction. The fine is also 1,000. So for the code 1G36, the violation is MC carrying more passengers other than the back rider or a cargo other than the saddlebags and luggage carriers. So the fine is 1,000 for the private, and for the for hire drivers is none. So for 1G37 code, the MV owner operator 422, the violations is refusal to render service to the public or convey passenger to destination. For the violations and other accessories, penalties, and our requirements is none. Then we have also the code 1G38. The MV owner operator is 423. The violations is overcharging, undercharging of fare. The first offense is none for the private. The second offense is also none. And the third offense and the subsequent offense is the fine is also none. For the for hire drivers, first offense is 1,000 to 5,000. For the second offense, 1,000 to 10,000. For the third offense is 1,000 to 15,000. For the accessories penalty and other requirements is impoundment of unit for 30 days and cancellation of CPC. For the code 1G39, the violations of no franchise CPC or evidence of franchise presented. For the first offense for the private driver, for the first and second, third offense, the fine is 0 or none. For the for hire drivers, first offense is 1,000 to 5,000, second offense is 1,000 to 10,000. For the third offense is 1,000 to 15,000. For the accessories penalty and other requirements is impoundment of unit for 30 days also and cancellation of CPC. For the code 1G40, the violations of fraud and falsities of fake and spurious CPC or ORCR plates and stickers and tags. For the violations of private driver is none, and the fine is none. For the for hire drivers, the fine is 1,000, and the accessories penalty or other requirements is revocation and cancellation of the franchise CPC. For the code 1G41, the violations of operating the units with defective parts and accessories. For the first offense and second offense of the private driver is none. For the for hire drivers, the first offense 1,000 to 5,000, second offense is 1,000 to 10,000, and the third offense is 1,000 to 15,000. The accessories penalty and other requirements is impoundment of unit for 30 days and also cancellation of CPC. For the code 1G42, the violations of failure to provide fair discount. For the first offense, for the private driver, for the first, second, and third offense, the fine is 0. For the for hire drivers, the first offense is 1,000, second to 5,000, second offense is 1,000 to 10,000, and third offense is 1,000 to 15,000. For the accessories, penalty, and other requirements, impoundment of unit for 30 days and cancellation of CPC. For the code 1G43, the fast tampered defective taximeter or operating without or with an old sealed taximeter. For the first offense, for the private or MV owner, the first and second offense and third is the fine is 0. For the for hire drivers, the first offense is 1,000 to 5,000, second offense is 1,000 to 10,000, third offense is 1,000 to 15,000, and for the accessories, penalty, and requirements is impoundment of unit for 30 days and cancellation also of CPC. For the code 1G44, for the violations of tampered, broken, joined, reconnected, fake or altered sealing, wire, for the first and second, third offense of the private driver is none. For the for hire drivers, the first is 1,000 to 5,000, second offense is 1,000 to 10,000, third offense is 1,000 to 15,000. For the accessories, penalty, and other requirement is impoundment of unit for 30 days and cancellation of CPC. For the code 1G45, the violations is no signboard. For the private driver, they have no fine if they commit an offense. For the for hire drivers, first offense, same, 1,000 to 5,000, second offense, 1,000 to 10,000, and so on. For the accessories and other penalties and requirements, impoundment of unit for 30 days and cancellation of CPC. So for 1G46 code, the violations is pick and drop of passengers outside terminal. For the first offense of the private driver is none, second offense also none, third offense is also none. For the for hire drivers, first offense is 1,000 to 5,000, second offense 1,000 to 10,000, third offense 1,000 to 15,000. Then for the other penalties is impoundment of unit for 30 days also and cancellation of CPC. For the code 1G47, for the violations of carrying an illegal and or prohibited cargoes, for the private drivers or MV owner, for the first offense, second offense, and third offense, the fine is none. For the for hire drivers, the fine is 1,000 to 5,000, 1,000 to 10,000, 1,000 to 15,000, and for the other penalty and other requirements is impoundment of unit for 30 days and cancellation of CPC. For the last code of my part of this report, the code is 1G48. The violations is failure to provide fire extinguisher and required to stop and go signage. For the first offense, a second offense, and third offense of the private driver or MV owner is none. But for hire drivers like driver and MV owner, is first is 1,000 to 5,000, second is 1,000 to 10,000, and third is 1,000 to 15,000. For the accessories, penalty, and other violations and requirements, impoundment of unit for 30 days and cancellation of CPC. So that concludes my part. So the next reporter is Mr. Alonan.
So I am the last reporter for the topic JAW code. So I am Orlando Ayalonan. So for code 1J45, no sign. The violation is no sign board first offense, second offense, and third offense. For private fines is none. For hire is individuals is first offense 1,000 to 5,000, second offense 1,000 to 10,000, third offense 1,000 to 15,000, and the accessories penalty is impoundment of unit for 30 days and cancellation of CPC. So for code 1J46, violation for pick and drop of passengers outside terminal, first offense, second offense, third offense. For private individuals is none, and for hire individuals, the first offense is 1,000 to 5,000, second offense 1,000 to 10,000, third offense 1,000 to 15,000, and impoundment of unit for 30 days.
For code 1J47, carrying illegal and prohibited cargoes, first offense, second offense, third offense. For private individual, none. And for higher individuals, first offense, 1,000 to 5,000, second offense, 1,000 to 10,000, third offense, 1,000 to 15,000, and accessory penalty is impoundment of unit for 30 days and cancellation of CTC. For code 1J48, failure to provide fire extinguisher, required stop and go signage, first offense, second offense, third offense. For private individuals is none. And for higher individuals, first offense 1,000 to 5,000, second offense 1,000 to 15,000, 10,000, and third offense 1,000 to 15,000. And accessory penalty is impoundment of unit for 30 days. Next is violation of RA 10913, so distracted driving. So first offense for private individual is the fine is 5,000. Second offense is 10,000. Third offense is 15,000, and for subsequent offenses 20,000. For higher individuals, the same. First offense 5,000. Second offense 10,000. Third offense 15,000. Third offense, subsequent offense 20,000. And for the accessories penalty, first offense none, second offense none, third offense suspension of driver's license for 3 months, and for subsequent offense the accessories penalty is revocation of driver's license. So for violation of RA 1066, MC driving with child, first offense for private individuals 3,000, second offense 5,000, third offense and subsequent offense 10,000, and for higher individuals none. So for accessories penalty, first and second offense none, third and subsequent offense suspension of driver's license for 1 month, and revocation of driver's license for the succeeding offenses. So for code 1E, unregistered motor vehicle, to include reckless driving. So first offense 2,000 to 10,000, and for higher individuals the same, 2,000 to 10,000. And accessories penalty is impoundment of motor vehicle in case of non-registration, and the violation has exceeded 1 month and shall be released upon the valid registration and payment of fine. So for violation of unauthorized vehicle, the fine for private individual is 5,000, and same for the higher individuals 5,000. And impoundment of motor vehicle upon inspection, correction of defect, and payment of fine. So for violation of operating the right hand driver motor vehicle, 50,000 to fines and impoundment of motor vehicle. For code 1J41, violation motor vehicle operating with defective, improper, and unauthorized accessories, devices, equipment, and parts. For fines is 5,000, and impoundment of motor vehicle until accessories, device, equipment, or parts is properly installed, corrected, and removed as in the case may, and payment of fine, confiscating of unauthorized plate, accessories, and devices. So for violation of failure to attach proper attachment, tampering motor vehicle license plates and third plate sticker, the fine is 5,000, and removal on confiscation of unauthorized plate, accessories, and or device in favor of government. So for violation of RA 8749, smoke belching, first offense, second offense, and third offense is 2,000, 4,000 to 6,000 pesos, and suspension of motor vehicle registration for 1 year. So next is violation of fraud in motor vehicle registration and renewal. The fine is 3,000, and impoundment of motor vehicle from registration for 1 year. So, for violation of all other violations in connection with motor vehicle registration, the fine is 2,000 and other penalties is none. So, for code 3A, a violation of load extending beyond projected without permit, the fine is 1,000 and fine shall be imposed upon the driver of the motor vehicle for operating a vehicle with any part of load extending beyond the projected width of the vehicle without special permit. So, for violation of RA 8794, axle overloading, the fine is none. Amount of equivalent of 25% of MVUC and amount of motor vehicle usage charge at the time of infringement and trailers loading, the penalty shall be waived. Loading no motor vehicle shall dito sa pala.
Time na.
Code 3C, operating passenger bus truck with exceeding 160 kilo, fine is 1,000 and fine shall be imposed upon the driving conductor. So, colorum vehicle, first offense, 1 million.
Wala, di ko sa mga tumalay. Di.